Saint Spyridon, patron saint of potters and protector of Corfu. Saint Spyridon was born around 270 AD in the village of Asha in Cyprus. He lived a humble life as a shepherd and was renowned for his deep piety and simple faith. He married and had one daughter, Irene. After the death of his wife, Spyridon chose a life of greater devotion. He entered a monastery while his daughter joined a convent. Despite a modest background and limited education, Spyridon rose to become Bishop of Trimithous, modern-day Tremetoucha in the Larnaca district. His life was not without hardship. During the persecution under Emperor Maximinus, he fell into disfavor but survived and continued to serve the Christian community with humility and wisdom. One of the most significant moments in his life came in at 325, when he participated in the First Ecumenical Council of Nicaea. There, he defended the Christian doctrine of the Holy Trinity in a simple but powerful way. Holding a portrait in his hand, he explained how a single piece of pottery could contain fire, water, and clay, three distinct elements in one form. Miraculously, the shard is said to have burst into flame, dripped water, and then turned to dust in his hand. This act converted a pagan philosopher present at the council and remains a lasting symbol. Icons of the saint often include a flaming portrait or brick. Though simple and poorly dressed, even with a stammer, Spyridon's spiritual authority could not be denied. After the council, he returned quietly to his diocese in Trimithous, continuing his pastoral work until his peaceful death in old age. In the 7th century, during the Arab conquest of Cyprus, Spyridon's incorrupt body was exhumed and moved to Constantinople. His remains were found not only preserved, but also accompanied by a sprig of basil, the royal plant, both considered signs of sanctity. When Constantinople fell to the Ottomans in 1453, a monk named Kalocheretis carried the relics to the Greek island of Corfu, where they remain to this day, enshrined in the church of St. Spyridon in the old town. St. Spyridon's relics are still venerated by the faithful and carried in procession every Palm Sunday, as well as on another significant feast days. The British naturalist Gerald Durrell recounts his family's experience witnessing one of these processions in his famous memoir, My Family and Other Animals, a delightful read that captures the spirit of Corfu and its beloved patron. Saint Spyridon is remembered for his miracle with the portrait, making him the patron saint of potters, his protection of Corfu earning him the title Agios Spyridon o Poliouchos, Saint Spyridon, keeper of the city. He is credited with miraculously expelling the plague and helping to defend the island during the Ottoman siege of 1716, when forces under Sultan Ahmed III threatened Corfu. Feast days: Eastern Orthodox Church, Cheese Fair Saturday, the Saturday before Great Lent, December the 12th, according to the Julian calendar, December 25th, according to the Gregorian calendar. Western Christian churches, December 14th. Saint Spyridon's enduring presence is felt not only through miracle stories and historical records, but also through living traditions and celebrations that continue to this day.
St. Spyridon's Chapel is the second stop on the Shepherd's Heritage Trail. Your next stops are Panagia Milianiotisa Chapel and Lula's Farm. Find the link to the map of the trail in the description to this video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.